Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to see an very interesting topic, under the sea. Okay, today's topic is under the sea. How many of them have seen beach? Have you seen National Geographic channel showing all beautiful creatures under the sea? Have you seen that in any movies? Okay, see, this ocean is a huge body of salt water. So there is one world ocean, but it is divided into 5 main areas: the Pacific, the Atlantic, the Indian, the Arctic, and the Southern, or it is Antarctic. Okay. See, together they can be seen as one world ocean because they have no real borders and water flows freely between them. Small parts of these oceans are called seas, gulfs, and bays. Okay. Ocean water is sweet or salty? Yeah, ocean water is salty. The saltness comes from a chemical substance. Okay, so that's why it is very salty. And also, have you seen the waves? The winds also cause ocean water to move in waves. Steady, powerful winds cause big waves. Gentle breeze create ripples. Large swells in ocean water usually come from stormy weather. Isn't it? So many living creatures live in the ocean, like blue whale, shark, crab, squid, dolphins. Yes or no? So there are many creatures, wonderful creatures living under the water. The world's oceans are important to life on earth. Oceans are a great source of food for people around the world. Okay, so they also provide minerals, oils, and natural gases. So oceans also help to keep climates stable by storing heat from the sun. Okay, today many dangers threaten the health of the ocean. People pollute oceans by dumping poisonous waste and garbage into them. So ocean pollution reduces oxygen in the water and harms ocean life. Overfishing and oil spill ocean life as well. Okay, so shall we move on to the new lesson? See, before we begin, there's a beautiful song. See this? This is the underneath of the sea. Okay, this is the place. What are these creatures? What are these creatures? Wow, what are these? Can you name this? Starfish, jellyfish, octopus, crab, seahorse. Okay, shall we listen to a beautiful song?
Here is the sea, the wavy sea. Here is a boat, and here is me, and little fishes way down below wriggle their tails, and away they go.
So, this is the beautiful song. Here is the sea, the wavy sea. So, wave your hands from side to side like waves. Here is the boat, the sailing boat. And here is me, and here is me. All of the fishes, down below, wriggle their tails, and away they go, and away they go. Okay, this is the song. Shall we see further to our lesson? So, now we are going to see the creatures live in the sea. Okay, one by one. Before that, I'll show you a video of what are the creatures that live in the sea. Okay. So, children, that was amazing. Yes or no? Okay, shall we move on to the lesson? Many wonderful creatures live in the sea. Some are large, but others are small. Some colorful, and some with varied patterns. Some live deep in the sea. Let's see what some of these are. This is seahorses. Seahorses are a small type of fish. They are 5 centimeters long. Seahorses are what? Tiny fish that are named for the shape of their head. A tiny horse. So there are 36 seahorse species. Seahorse bodies are covered in tiny spiny plates all the way from their head down to their curved flexible tail. And also it has a pouch like how kangaroo have. It is brood pouch. Okay. Angelfish. Angelfish are colorful with different patterns. The young angelfish usually has a different pattern from the adult fish. They live among coral reefs. It's an aquarium pet in different color, black and yellow or blue and yellow. 18 inches, that is 46 centimeters. Its body is flat and rounded. This pancake-like shape makes the fish to turn easily around the coral reefs. What is this? This is sea anemones. They are brightly colored, have wavy tentacles and look like plants. Their mouth is in the middle of their bodies. Sharks. What is the shark? Shark likes humans actually. They only attack if they get scared. Okay. Only if you do something to shark, then it will come and bite us. It swims in the open sea. They have huge, strong jaws with several rows of teeth. If they lose a tooth, another one grows quickly. Sharks are very fierce creature. Seals. They look very clumsy on board, but they move very fast in water and are good swimmers. A layer of fat called blubber keeps the seals warm. Seals also a mammal. They drink milk when they are babies. They are warm-blooded. They do not have any legs. They have this 4 flippers which allows them to glide through the water. This is coral reefs. Seals look very clumsy on land, but they move very fast in water and are good swimmers. And layer of fat called blubber keeps the seals warm. Sea anemones are brightly colored, have wavy tentacles and look like plants. Their mouth is in the middle of their bodies. Sharks swim in the open sea. They have huge, strong jaws with several rows of teeth. If they lose a tooth, another one grows quickly. Sharks are very fierce creature. Okay, children? We finish this small lesson under the sea. Okay. So just a recap. Many wonderful creatures live under the sea. So we have seen today seahorse. They are very small type of fish. And angelfish, which is colorful and with the different patterns. And seals are very clumsy on land and good swimmers. And sea anemones and sharks. We have seen about sharks' teeth. If they lose one tooth also, immediately another one will grow. It not like us. Okay. For us, we have temporary teeth and permanent teeth. Only twice. Only once. If it falls, the milk teeth, once it falls, it grows. The permanent teeth growth for us. But for them, if they lose a tooth, another one grows quickly. Okay. So, shark swims in the open sea. Hard words. Seal, tentacles, blubber, fierce, clumsy, clumsily, creatures, anemones, swimmers, angelfish, awkwardly, colored, coral, reefs. Okay, today's homework is write the hard words 5 times. What are the hard words I have given on the top? Just copy that 5 times in your rough note. Draw the wonderful creatures live in the sea and color it beautifully. Okay, submit it to me next week. Write a paragraph on your favorite sea animal. Which is your favorite sea animal? Anything. You can write any creature which you like. Okay. Thank you, children. Meet you in the next class.